C++, Java or Python. Each language has its own superpower. But in today's video, we are going to dive into why C++ is the niche choice that stands out in the tech world. If you are starting your coding journey or planning your next career move, then you must have probably asked yourself, should I learn C++, Java or Python? Well, then you have to answer the following questions. First, are you fascinated by the systems that need speed and precision like AI models or video games? Second, do you want to work in the niche industries like aerospace, defense, robotics, or finance? Third, do you want to solve the complex problems and become a master in programming? If you have answered all these questions as yes, then C++ is your language. Whether you are a student, a programmer exploring new options, or someone who is planning for a next career leap, then this video is packed with insights just for you. So let's get started with the video. In this video, we will uncover the following points. Industries where C++ dominates, technical skills that are required in order to stand out as a C++ developer, the designations right from junior to the senior level, and lastly, what are the salaries being paid currently in the market based on the experience? Let's talk industries. C++ is everywhere. Key industries include gaming, finance, embedded systems, cybersecurity, aerospace and defense, artificial intelligence, machine learning. C++ is majorly used in AI and machine learning in frameworks like TensorFlow. Now let's understand all these industries one by one so that you can make the right decision. First up is the gaming industry. C++ is the backbone of many game engines because it is all about speed and performance, which are critical for creating the immersive gaming experience. Take the Unreal Engine as an example. It is powered by C++. This engine is behind the blockbuster games like Fortnite, Gear of Wars. C++ helps the game developer to create the realistic graphics, handle the physics simulation, optimize for the smooth gameplay. If you're playing these games on console or PC, chances are that C++ is behind this magic. Let's talk finance. The high-speed trading and financial analytics rely on C++ for its speed and reliability. The big financial firms like Goldman Sachs use C++ for their trading algorithms. There is a great example, Nasdaq, a second largest stock exchange in the world. Their trading system are built using C++ to process thousands of transactions per second. It is perfect for handling the real-time trading systems where every millisecond counts. Moving on to the next industry, that is embedded system. This industry covers everything from IoT devices to the smart cars, and C++ plays a huge role in embedded systems like drones used in delivery and photography. In medical field also, the medical devices like heart monitors, smart cars. C++ helps control everything from self-driving algorithms to battery management. So every time when your smart car parks itself, then thanks to C++. C++ literally reaches the stars and moon. Yes, I'm talking about aerospace. NASA uses C++ to power the spacecrafts. Now on to cybersecurity. C++ plays the key role in creating the secure systems and tools for protecting the sensitive data. Even the antivirus softwares like McAfee, Kaspersky, when defending against cyber threats, these software also uses C++ to scan millions of files quickly and accurately. Now let's talk about AI, ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning. It is also used in AI-powered recommendation engines For example, when Netflix suggests your next being-worthy show, then definitely C++ might be running behind the scenes. Lastly, let's talk about entertainment. C++ is used in many tools in movie production and video streaming. For example, Autodesk Maya, a 3D modeling tool used in blockbuster films like Avatar and The Avenger, run on C++. Now let's talk about the technical skills that are required so that you can outstand as a C++ developer. Here's the checklist. Proficiency in C++, obviously. Mastery of data structure and algorithm. Knowledge of operating systems and memory systems. Experience in version controls like Git, familiarity with libraries like Boost and STL. Bonus: if you are into gaming, then learn the game engine like Unreal. Designations from entry level to the leadership roles based on the industries which we have discussed till now. So the entry level roles are Junior C++ developer, Software C++ developer. Mid-level roles are C++ engineer, game developer C++, embedded system developer. Senior roles are senior C++ developer, system software engineer. And there are some specialized roles: quantitative developer, C++, C++ AI ML engineer, and cybersecurity. And leadership roles are tech lead and software architect in C++. The technical skills that you need to know to excel as a C++ developer, from a junior role to the specialized roles like cybersecurity and AI, I have got you covered all the points. Whether you are starting your career or eyeing on that tech lead position, then stick around to the description box in the bio, because I have given all the details, the technical skills that are required for each and every role that we have discussed. And lastly, let's go through the salaries that have been paid based on the experience. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button to stay ahead in your tech career. Please share this video with your fellow coders. Until next time, keep exploring, keep coding. Thank you.